Hi guys, it is Kenzie. Welcome Welcome back to my channel. I am doing the long-awaited morning routine. I have not done a morning routine in so long. I'm so excited I don't know what to do with my hands. This is my winter break morning routine, and I know a lot of you guys, the sun, oh my gosh, can you please for 1 second just calm down. I know a lot of you guys are going back to school and are no longer on winter break, but I'm still on winter break for a week more, so this is what I've been doing during winter break, and I felt that I'd share it with you guys. If you guys want a school morning routine, make sure to leave that in the comments down below, and I will do that for you guys because I go back to school in a week. Let's just jump into the video.
Growing up in the golden age.
During winter break, I try to not set an alarm, and I do have an alarm set for 11 a.m. just in case I'm not up by then, but even when I wake up naturally, I still struggle to get out of bed, and like Beyonce says, I wake up like this with Mario Badescu drying lotion all over my face. During winter break, I do allow myself to check my social medias before I get out of bed because, you know, it's like my guilty pleasure. So I check Snapchat. You guys can follow me there if you like. It's just Kenzie Borowski. I do check my Instagram, which again is Kenzie Borowski, and I'm so close to 10.5 thousand followers. So thank you so much if you already follow me, and if you don't, you guys should really check out my Instagram because I love it. And I do check my Twitter. I don't tweet too much, but I do tweet probably every other day, maybe less than that. And I love Twitter though. I love just reading Twitter and everybody's tweets. And eventually I will try to drag myself out of bed.
Remember in class, we was smoking chill. It was only gym and lunch, we thought it was real. I was even feeling math, I ain't even care. Yeah, just to be around you made it worth it. I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. I remember
I try not to sleep with my hair up because I feel like I'm starting to bald on my hairline, which is so bad, but I wash my face with my Cetaphil wash, and then I just use some random moisturizer to moisturize my face. If you guys want a full skincare routine, let me know down below in the comments. And then I'm using my favorite eye cream. This stuff actually has caffeine in it, so it like actually makes you look more awake. And then once I've done the very minimalistic stuff, I will go upstairs and get coffee and breakfast if I'm feeling breakfast. If you guys know me, then you know I don't really eat breakfast unless I'm super hungry.
All of the lies I just wanna believe. Drop on my morals, I just wanna.
I have to greet my dog Libby because she is such a needy little dog, and I let her out. I feed her because she has to be fed first, otherwise she throws a fit. She's very sassy and I love it. And then once she's fueling up, it's time for my fuel, aka coffee. I know it's not Christmas anymore, but Christmas mugs are just so aesthetic, and my favorite Keurig coffee pod is the Starbucks House Blend. It's just my fave. I love it. I do put hot chocolate in my coffee. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that. And then here I am making some of my favorite avocado toast. If you guys want to see how exactly I make my avocado toast, again, just watch my vlogs, and I'm going to do a fully dedicated what I eat in a day video so you guys can see it there as well. I also just jam out to music, especially if I'm by myself home alone. Once I have my breakfast, I make my way back downstairs, and my Keurig makes my coffee really hot, so while I'm letting that cool down, I make my bed, which I try to do even if I'm on break so that I don't get back into bed and just be really unproductive. Once I make my bed, I allow myself to eat on my bed only if I'm doing work or watching, you know, YouTube or something, not just falling asleep. After I eat breakfast and drink my 1 or 2 cups of coffee in the morning, I will either get ready for the gym or errands.
You got me doing all this stupid shit. You fuck me up like this. Secretly, I'm into it though.
Or I will get ready for work or making a video or anything else that I have to do, which requires makeup and putting effort into how I look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. You can click the little button. And if you're already subscribed, click the bell so you have something extra to click, just so you're part of it. If you've already clicked the bell, good job, I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video on Friday. Bye!
I do my hair.